So CTF, we are going to discuss about. So CTF stands for that capture the flag, which is a type of cybersecurity competition where participants solve the puzzles, crack codes, exploit vulnerabilities, and perform various tasks to find flags hidden within the system or challenges. So these flags are strings of text that typically prove that participants have successfully completed a challenge. And CTFs can cover a wide range of topics such as that cryptography, reverse engineering, web security, forensics, and more. So they are that popular among cybersecurity students and professionals as they provide hands-on experience and real-world scenario. So in this video, we're going to discuss about the TryHackMe. So TryHackMe is an online platform that provides you that virtual environment for learning cybersecurity through guidance tutorials, challenges, and real-world scenarios. And it offers varieties of rooms, each focusing on different aspect of cybersecurity such as network penetration testing, web application security, and digital forensics. So TryHackMe is known for its user-friendly interface and beginner-friendly approach, making it popular choice for those who are new to cybersecurity or looking to expand their skills. So participant can access TryHackMe through a web browser and like engage in interactive learning experience to improve their cybersecurity knowledge and practical skills. So for practicing on TryHackMe, we have to visit that official website, which is tryhackme.com, and you can join for free. So it's like simple sign up form. You have to enter your email and your username, and then you have to that validate with your email id. Then you can create your account. So I've already created that account. So for the login, I just enter my username. So my username, it's same as for that email, and the password, and I'm not a robot. And then, so after the login, you can see the dashboard, and there are some multiple options. In menu, you can see the dashboard, learn, that compete, and other. The develop option you have to enable in settings part. So let's say if you want to upload some machine on TryHackMe, so you have to enable that develop option. And for the go premium, if you want to that learn with that premium machines or premium room, so you have to buy. Otherwise there are lots of that free room as well. So if you are go with that monthly, so it's $14 per month. And that's your profile, and this is like a stick. So let's say if you are submitted that every day that flag, so you will get that 1 day stick, 2 days stick, and as per your stick, you will get that multiple badges. And there are some learning paths, then recent room, that number of questions which you have done in that particular that week. This section show you that new rooms, and there are some levels. So whenever you put that flex or solve some machine, so your level will be increased. So the highest rank is that level 13, which is that god. So you have to earn that approx 20k points. So I have right now set 28k points, and there are number of friends. Then skill matrix, let's say I just practice on that multiple rooms which are related to that Linux, web exploitations, Windows exploitations, fundamentals, privilege escalation, and network exploitation. So let's say fundamental, I have completed that 100%, that privilege escalation that 90, Windows exploitations for that 66%. And whenever you go in your profile section, you can see the all information about uh, your personal information, like your username, full name, email address, password, security, and subscription. And you can add your social media account as well, like your Twitter, Insta, personal website, GitHub, and LinkedIn. And in your that profile, let's say I just click on that view profile. So this is your public profile. You can share with someone to show you like what's your rank and how rooms are completed, the levels, the number of 26 badges, and the room completed. And when I click on that badges, so there are multiple rooms whenever you complete it. So you'll get a badge. Let's say there's a machine like Mr. Robot, so you'll get this badge. And for that streak, which is that 7 day streak, and like 30 days streak, 90 days streak. So there are multiple badges you can earn, and you can share with your friends as well. So let's start with the dashboard. And in dashboard, there's a section of learning path. In learning path, you can see the exactly which you are like currently doing that learning path. Otherwise, you have to go in that learn section. In learn section, we can see that learn, practice, and search. So in learning path, we can see like introduction to cybersecurity, junior penetration tester, pre-security, SOC level 1, 2, security engineer, and so on. So in learning paths and the cloud training, that modules and the network. So in network, we'll discuss like more about like in another course, but in this video or in this course, we're going to discuss about only that Linux privilege escalation, but you have to learn like how TryHackMe that works. So in let's say in search section, we can discover the like machine. So if you are doing your that first machine, so you can search from the basics. So let's say relevant, I say that most popular, and difficulty, I say that's easy. Room time should be that CTF or walkthrough. So generally in walkthrough, you can see that step by step explanation of that particular vulnerability. And CTF, there is only there are two section, that user flag or root flag. So you have to put that user.txt or that root.txt in CTF section. So as per my suggestion, you can go like starting with that walkthroughs. So let's say in walkthrough and status, it's like we can say that all, and subscription type, it's free only. So you can see that Nmap, introductory networking, learning cybersecurity tutorials, advent of cyber 2022, and there are lots of rooms which are freely available for practice. So let's say if I search here like Linux and privilege escalation. So I just put that all, because advanced research basic, and like most popular for the relevance. So Linux file system analysis, file backdoors, worth, and OWASP broken access control, brute, and I just put on all, because like it's the like medium level the rooms which is freely available in walkthrough section. So when I go to that Linux privilege escalation part, so you can see there are multiple tasks like from the introduction, what is privilege escalation, enumerations, automated enumeration tools, privilege escalation for kernel exploitations, for path, NFS, and capstone challenge. So whenever you try to that access that particular room, so you have to connect with particular that VPN which provided by the TryHackMe. So for that download that open VPN, you have to click that access machine. And access machine, there are two options like attack box and open VPN. So if your system is not capable to run that that virtual machines or Kali Linux, so you can use that attack box which provided by the TryHackMe. And if your system is capable to run that virtual machine, so you can use that open VPN. And right now I'm using that Kali Linux, so I just click on that Kali, or you can use as per your like requirement, that Windows or Mac OS. So just download your VPN configuration file, then we have to install that open VPN, and after the download we have to run that sudo open VPN and that your our VPN file. So just click on that download. So once we have download, I just open that folder, right click, and then open terminal here. So first of all, we have to check like we have open VPN or not. So just click on open VPN, and it's like color has been changed. That's mean that OpenVPN has already installed. And if you don't have installation, so you can type sudo apt install and then open VPN. So it's already installed. That's zero upgrade, zero newly installed. And now in download folder, there is a file that chandan.godela.ovpn. So just sudo open VPN and then your file name. Just enter. So after the enter, you have to like for wait for some times while it's that connecting. Maybe it's getting error that handshake failed, restart post. And for verifications, we can just reload this page that TryHackMe, and your access machine would be changed into that green color. And if you are facing this issue, so we have to reconfigure our that VPN file. So let's say right now it's EU regular 3 and we can use that multiple free VPNs locations. So let's say I chose that in regular 1 and it's refresh and download configurations file. So in configuration file, I another download that OVPN file which is related to that in regular and server status is online. So let me terminate this one, and now we have the two files that open sudo open VPN and then your another file and then enter. Let's see now it's connected or not. So let me refresh this page again. Now after the reload, we can see that internal virtual IP has been connected. So connection is connected. So let me back again in our room and let me refresh again. So it's still showing me that red part. So in enumeration, I can show you that start machine. So whenever we click on that start machine, so we can see the target IP. So let me that copy and just go to the terminal, and in terminal we have to that run that particular that VPN connection, and just go to the new tab, and in new tab we can see that ping and then paste. Or now we can see that we have access of 10.10.136 that 99, and our that local IP which is in the TryHackMe network which is 10.17.436. So now we have successfully connected in TryHackMe. Now we can like explore this room or that others room. So we have to start the particular that room machines and connected with that open VPN. So we'll see like in another videos like how can we that enumerate or how can we use that privilege escalation. So we'll see in our next video.